Lemongrass oil is a versatile and powerful natural remedy that has been used for centuries, but many people still don't know how to harness its full potential. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple and effective way to extract lemongrass oil at home, so you can enjoy its amazing benefits. Main points. Understanding lemongrass oil. Lemongrass is a tall, fragrant grass native to tropical regions. The oil extracted from lemongrass has a fresh, lemony aroma and a wide range of therapeutic properties. Lemongrass oil is known for its antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory properties. Benefits of lemongrass oil. Skin and hair care. Lemongrass oil can help treat acne, reduce inflammation, and promote healthy hair growth. Stress and anxiety relief. The calming aroma of lemongrass oil can help reduce stress and promote relaxation. Insect repellent. Lemongrass oil is a natural insect repellent, making it a great choice for outdoor activities. Digestive support. Lemongrass oil can help soothe digestive issues and relieve symptoms of indigestion. How to extract lemongrass oil at home. Gather the necessary ingredients: fresh lemongrass, a carrier oil, such as coconut or olive oil, and a glass jar with a tight-fitting lid. Prepare the lemongrass. Wash the lemongrass, remove the tough outer leaves, and chop the stems into 1-inch pieces. Infuse the oil. Place the chopped lemongrass in a glass jar and cover with the carrier oil. Seal the jar and let it infuse for 2-4 weeks, shaking it occasionally. Strain and store. After the infusion period, strain the oil through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth to remove the lemongrass. Transfer the extracted oil to a clean, dark-colored bottle for storage. How to use lemongrass oil. Topical application. Apply a few drops of lemongrass oil to your skin, hair, or nails for various benefits. Diffuser or aromatherapy. Add a few drops of lemongrass oil to a diffuser or mix it with a carrier oil for a relaxing, fragrant experience. Household cleaning. Lemongrass oil can be used as a natural cleaning agent to disinfect surfaces and eliminate odors. By the end of this video, you'll have a simple and effective way to extract your own lemongrass oil at home, and you'll know how to use it to enhance your health, beauty, and home. Get ready to unlock the power of this natural treasure.